Guess who's back in the house? RuPaul's Drag Race is welcoming fresh icons and classic superstars to click-clack about the workroom as part of the All-Stars 5 cast, all of whom will compete on VH1 after all. The network revealed Thursday the 10 queens competing for $100,000 and a spot in the RuPaul's Drag Race Hall of Fame next to past winners Chad Michaels, Alaska, Trixie Mattel, and reigning All-Stars co-champions Trinity the Tuck and Monet Exchange. VH1 further confirmed that, after a prior announcement indicated the show would move to Showtime, All-Stars 5 would remain on its cable channel home, sampling multiple major seasons from Drag Race history. The All-Stars 5 cast finally brings Season 1 fan favorite and the og-robbed Queen Ongina back into the competitive fray for the first time since 2009. While Season 2's Jujubee and Season 3's Alexis Mateo, both of whom competed on All-Stars 1 back in 2012, returned for another shot at the title as well. Joining him are Season 9 standout Shea Coulee, Season 3 sisters Mariah Paris Balenciaga and India Get Her Off of Me Vera, Season 8 Stonewall historian Derek Barry, and a Season 10 trio including Ms. Cracker, Blair Street, Claire, and Mayhem Miller.